Hi, in this video I will show you how to repair your leaks from your boiler for Saeco Poemia. First, you have to remove the top cover. You have here a water tank, you have to remove it also. Then you have two bolts here in this place. You have to unscrew, then you have to remove the steam knob, and there is, you can hear, there is a metal piece here. You have to be careful not to lose it. I will take it from the inside. So you remove the steam knob, and in the face of the machine you remove. It's not very easy. If you can do it with your hands, you can use a flat screw driver. Okay. Be patient, and it will be okay. So you can see here the metal piece. It's very important because if you don't have it, the knob will be loose. So after you remove the two knobs and the two screws, that one is here, one is here, you have to remove two screws. I remove it. There is here one here and one here. After that you have to remove the face of the machine. Okay, you can see here was the two screws. Then you remove the top of the machine, and now you can see, let me see where it is. It's very important not to lose it. This is from the knob. Okay, so we're going to put it back. Okay, so now you can see your machine. And what is the problem with this machine? You can see the boiler have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So you cannot see this bolt because it's break. I can show you. This is the head of the bolt, and as you can see, it's break from the pressure, and also this bolt, maybe it's not very good quality, so we have to replace all 4 bolts. So to remove the boiler from the machine, first we need to remove the steam pipe. You can see here, and you have a clamp. Remove the clamp and pull the steam pipe. Okay, so now we have to turn the machine down. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 screws, and as you can see, these machines are made in China, so maybe that's why the bolts are not very good. So you have 3 screws. Okay, now we have to remove this hose, and here the ground wire you can see. And now from this switch we have to remove the cables that goes. Let me show you. You can see these three cables are the electricity for the machine, and we remove the ground wire. Now we have to remove the other two, blue and brown. So you can see here is the switch, and let me show you. Remove the one brown, and I remove it before the video. You can see here I struggle to remove them from the switch, so it's not very easy, but you have to have patience, and they will come out. So if you try, don't pull the cable, catch the connector insulator here, but not here, because you will destroy the cable. So I will try to remove the other one. Yes, now it's free. So now we have to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will remove them very fast. Okay, and we can pull the boiler and the water pump with the metal base from the machine. And the last one is here. I have to push the lights. You can see when you can push it, and they will go like this, so you can have access to the screw here. Okay, so now, as you can see, the whole thing is free from the machine. So you have to be careful now not to destroy the machine. Now you can see here when the bolt break. Okay, you can see here the head of the bolt, and here you don't have it. So first we turn like this, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. We have to remove it, and the metal base will be free from the boiler. So be careful, because inside the boiler we have water. So I will try not to spill the water all over the table, and also you have to be sure you don't wet the cables and other things. So be careful and do it slowly. So because the original bolts are very poor quality, I will replace them with good bolts. Oops. Sorry. With good quality bolts, and I will show you something how to and something else I forgot to tell you. If you're not sure, you can make when see, and now you know with how everything goes together. Just for you to not worry if you don't remember how to put it back, just put these marks and you know what goes where. Okay, the last one, and we can remove, and also okay, we put one here. Now we cannot make mistake. So now we have to remove all four. This one is, see here. Let's do it. Okay. And I will use something for the water. Okay. Because when I okay. It's not complicated, but it takes time. Just take this, it will be much easier. Oops. The water is out. I will wait for a moment for the water. Let me try to unscrew here and here. Now I think most of the water is out, and I can remove this, and it's easy for me to okay. Okay, and I think I'm not going to replace the seal. I will see now how bad is the seal here on the boiler, and if it's okay, I just will replace the bolts and make everything together. Let's see here. Oh, it's very clean. If you can see, here was, let me show you. Here is where the bolt snap. I will remove this, and I'm going to put new 4 bolts, because maybe these bolts are made in cheese factory in China. That's why they have a so poor quality, because it's not first machine with this problem. It's very common for this machine, and I will use different boats, because it's I don't know, not very nice problem. So I will use the same seal, the same O-ring. I think it's no problem, because it's soft and will work again. And you have to repeat everything in order to make the machine whole with the new bolts, and you repair your machine. So I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you want, you can replace your seal on the portafilter, and I will clean everything and put back together the machine. So it's not very complicated. It's good to have this mark, because when you assemble the machine, you don't have a mistake when you assemble it. Bye.